Today I will talk about labial puffing treatment. So what is labial puffing? It is actually giving volume to the labia majora. As you know that fat sacs deflate with the passage of time. If you have lost weight and after childbirth and with aging, the fat sacs get deflated and they give you a wrinkled appearance and a deflated and saggy appearance of the labia majora. So labial puffing is the treatment in which we are adding volume to the labia majora and giving back its normal volume and shape that can cover the labia minoras inside. That is considered a normal shape. So there are different options we have for volumizing the labia majoras, in which we use labial fillers, or sometimes we use fat grafting, and they can add up volume and give a plump appearance to the labia majora and give you a young appearance.